Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Nothing phone. First of all, thank you to MySwoop for providing us with this phone today. So to block numbers, you want to go to your phone icon and then click on these three little dots and click on settings and then go to block numbers. So right now it's on because I filmed another video. And so normally it's off and then you enable it by clicking on it and then block calls from unidentified callers. You won't receive calls or texts from blocked numbers. You can also say to add a number if you have one specific person you want to block, then you can just insert the number here and then click on block, and then this person will not be able to reach you through calls and text anymore. If you ever want to undo that again, you probably have the option here to unblock numbers that you put in, but you can also turn this off and then people with unidentified numbers or unidentified calls, they can then reach you again. So that's how you block numbers on your Nothing phone. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.